Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2007, Gran Fiesta Tour starring the three Caballeros opened in the Mexico Pavilion at EPCOT. It replaced the opening day attraction, El Rio de Tiempo. Gran Fiesta Tour is a gentle boat ride that floats past landmarks of Mexico, both past and present. Guests are joined on the cruise by Jose Carioca and Panchito Pistoles, who chased a gallivanting Donald Duck across the countryside so they can all make it to their concert on time. Have you been on this attraction? Do you love it? I sure do. Anyway, have a magical day.